Today, we are going to learn how numbers are divided into two categories based on the number of factors a number has. Well, the two categories are the prime numbers and the composite numbers. We would be also learning about the sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, what are prime numbers and where are they used? Let us understand them with the help of an activity. Here, we have some numbers 2, 3, 6, 9 and 11. Can you list the factors of these numbers? Pause this video to give it a try. Well done, learners. I hope that you have listed all the factors of the given numbers, and the factors look like this. 2 has 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3 has 2 factors as well, 1 and 3. 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Coming forward to 9, it has got 3 factors which are 1, 3 and 9. 11 has 2 factors, 1 and 11. Here, can you observe that 2, 3 and 11 have only 2 factors which are 1 and the number itself? Such numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So, 2, 3 and 11 are prime numbers. Can you think of any other prime number? But 6 and 9 have more than 2 factors. So, what do we call such numbers? Yes, numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now, there exists a number which is neither prime nor composite. Learners, can you think of it? Absolutely correct. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Can you try and find the reason behind it? Now, let us see why using prime numbers is extremely important in our daily lives. Well, you must have known that the computer hackers are famous for leaking out the confidential details like the credit card information or the financial transactions. Computer security experts always use extremely large prime numbers while developing confidential codes to safeguard the information transmitted between the computers. So far, we have learned how to identify prime and composite numbers by counting the number of factors. But don't you think that this method can be tedious when we are dealing with large numbers? Yes, it is. Here comes the great mathematician Eratosthenes to our rescue. He is well known for calculating the Earth's circumference and for discovering prime numbers, which is known as the sieve of Eratosthenes. Come on, learners, let us learn about this method. Let us take the numbers up to which the prime numbers are to be found, Bn. In this method, we make a list of all the numbers less than or equal to n and greater than 1. Strike out the multiples of all primes less than or equal to the square root of n, then the numbers that are left are the primes. Come on, let us learn how to implement it. For example, to find all the primes less than or equal to 200, first we list the numbers from 1 to 200. Cross out the 1. We have to proceed till less than or equal to the square root of 200, that is 14.14. So, we need to check the multiples of all primes till we reach 14. The first number 2 is prime as it has 2 factors, so we keep it and color it green and color the multiples of 2 red. The red numbers are not prime, that is, they are composite numbers. Pause this video to try. I hope that your table now looks like this. The next number left is 3, so we keep it because it has 2 factors, 1 and 3. Now we color all the multiples of 3 as red. We know that all multiples less than 9 are already crossed out. So we can start coloring at 3 square, that is 9. Now the next number left is 5, which is a prime number. Can you tell the reason? Correct. 5 has only two factors, 1 and 5, which makes 5 a prime number. Let us color all of the multiples of 5 as red. I hope that your table looks like this. The next number left is 7. So we color it as green and color the multiples of 7 as red. Coming forward to the next number, 11, which is a prime number. So mark it with green color and color the multiples of 11 in red. Now let us move forward to the next number, 13, and color the multiples of 13 as red. So 169 is colored. Next, we move to 14, which is already in red color. If we check the multiples of 14 till 200, they are already marked in red color. The numbers which are not marked in red are prime numbers. Pause this video to mark them with green color. I hope your table looks like this. We have a total of 46 prime numbers till 200, which are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 101, 103, 107, 109, 113 and 127, 131, 137, 139, 149, 159, 157, 163, 167, 173, 179, 189, 199, 193, 197 and 199. This is how the sieve of Eratosthenes is helpful in finding prime numbers up to any given number. Now, can you find two prime numbers such that their sum is 30? Have you ever heard of the odd-even rule which was applied in the state of Delhi to curb pollution? The cars ending with which digits were allowed on 7th of November 2019. Stay tuned for our next video to explore this answer. Take care of yourself.